Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account. On Sample Guys, we click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Stumble Guys and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. And in the end you will go to Play Store here. Then you will update your app as you see in this page. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.